Hey ForexMilitia, this is Preston. Alright, well, I'm going to basically start with the Trading Made Simple backtesting. I'm starting from 2010 and moving forward. So what I'm going to do is I am going to tabulate the quarters by quarters, how well that the strategy does. I'm going to be trading the 4-hour time period, even though the strategy itself calls for you to trade on the 1 hour for the first 3 hours of the US session and then the 4-hour afterwards. But on my back test, I can't switch between the time frames to get that effect. So I am going to just do the 4-hour and see how it actually does. Now what I'm going to do is I'm only going to risk 1% of the account. For the back test, they give you $10,000 to basically trade, and so I'm only going to risk 1% on basically every trade. Now that is not the way how I normally trade. Usually it's basically based on how much I risk. That 1% is position sized. I use baby pips usually to get the position size correct. But I'm going to do my best to just use actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a fixed amount. So I'm going to use a tenth of a lot size, which is like a thousand units. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to fast forward through this so that speeds it up, so it's easier to basically digest. And I guess here we go. Okay, so after 3 months of testing, basically it comes out that you make about $204. Now, as I was going through this testing, you could basically see these arrows. You have these small arrows. These arrows I'm figuring out is when the stochastic actually crosses over. You get the crossover in the stochastic, but what we're really looking for is a crossover in the TDI. What I was trying to incorporate was Franz, the originator of the thread Trading Made Simple. He incorporated coming out at 8 a.m. So on this platform from Admiral Markets, 6 a.m. would be about 1600. So that would be about there, about 1600. Actually, this would be about 9 o'clock my time EST, but GMT it comes out about 1600. That's about 9 o'clock. So I was close. Let's look at the stats. So the stats basically have it like this: $10,000 account, $204 after 3 months. I just did three months. Profit factor of 1.22. Absolute drawdown $285. 33 trades. 33 trades is not a large amount of trades to basically make a decision if this strategy actually is viable. Profit trades 45%. That's actually not too bad for a trend trading strategy. A strategy like this, that's actually pretty decent. Of course, for you accuracy buffs, you want your trades to basically be a bit higher. But 45 for a trend trading strategy is pretty decent. As you can see, the profit trades are higher than the loss trades. The highest profit trades, the average is larger than the loss, and the consecutive wins, they're basically even. Consecutive wins, consecutive losses. The consecutive profit of 4 trades, 559. The consecutive losses 5 was 307. So that's really good. The drawdown 4%, not bad. From what this is saying is the modeling of this quality isn't the quality of this modeling is not that great. That's my fault. I didn't download the exact file, the data from the server. So I will improve that as we go along. But for right now, that's about it. And I will leave you with this, as always. With this knowledge, you have power. And knowledge is power. So power to the people. See you in the next video.